start flying.
So guys, this is the latest DJI AVATA, which is the hype of the town recently, and we got the joystick here also, we got the goggles too, which there is a previous version called the V2, and we got the Fly More kit, which extends your flight time. With the Fly More kit, you get 2 more batteries here, and also this charger with a USB-C, which is pretty convenient. So to be honest, I literally have zero experience. When I mean zero, I have no experience on not just flying FPV, but also flying a drone. So let me bring this DJI AVATA to my FPV pilot friends and let them fly this drone and let them teach me how to fly, and let's see if a newbie like me can fly this DJI AVATA too. Let's go! Yo! So now I'm at the Layang Kepong Park with Fion here, and my friend here will help me to try out flying this DJI AVATA and see how it performs as an FPV. So we've done flying with the DJI AVATA and you've seen the footage. What do you think about the footage? Comment down below. And Fion, what do you think about this DJI AVATA?
I think it's quite okay for, if let's say, for a beginner to start flying, especially those who just wanted to start the FPV. So this one is quite friendly because in traditional FPV, it's a bit difficult to control a lot of things. So this one becomes kind of like a smart system where if let's say you lost the drone, it will still come back home. Yeah. So if our normal traditional one, you lost the drone, that means you have to go pick up.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have a GPS systems and all these features that is much more smart system to help the user friendly a bit with this motion sensor controllers. So it's easier for new pilot to learn it.
He did teach me around, taught me how to fly, and after a few lessons from him, I can easily handle this whole thing and I can fly myself. And aside from myself, I even asked my colleague Deborah to fly, and as well as our videographer Joshua to fly as well, and I think they handled it pretty well. So guys, it's time for conclusion, and I've been flying this drone. I think this is my second day. It's not long. This is just my second day flying this DJI AVATA, and I can say that for a newbie, for a zero experience drone flyer, even furthermore, this is an FPV, I can really handle it well. You can see all the footage. I flew through the tunnel, I flew on the water surface, I flew through the water fountain, and I didn't have any crash incident. Because if you worry about crash, you can see this design here. It's really well thought. It covers through the blade, and even if you really bump into the trees, it will bounce off and it will threw away and you can easily maneuver back to your home. And also, the one thing that I like about is on the brake system, because once you release the acceleration button, it will immediately brake. It's not like it will brake and then it will go forward. No, it will just go and brake. That's how effective the brake is. But the only one design that I feel quite troublesome and I don't like it is the micro SD card slot. Look at that, it's around the propeller and the slot just got blocked whenever I want to slot it in or I want to take out. It's so troublesome. So with this motion controller, with this goggles 2 here, I think if you're a newbie and you're really interested in FPV, you can really just go and buy it and go and fly it easily. That's all for today. Let me know what you think about this DJI AVATA and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm Joshua C. Bye bye.